Today's topic is knowledge representation. As the name implies, it's the theory and practice of representing knowledge. It is useful if there is some way to manipulate the knowledge and infer from it. A symbol and a system of logic are combined to enable inferences. Next, what is a logic? Logic is used to supply formal semantics of how reasoning function should be applied to the symbols in the knowledge representation system. For example, there are many operators and operations we do in logic, and the examples of operator and operations are negation, conjunction, adverbs, adjectives, quantifiers, and model operators. Before moving to the knowledge representation, we will be having some term, that is epistemology. It is a prior knowledge or universal truth. For example, the earth is round, or it is derived from some sentences. Next is belief. It may or may not be true. As we know, what we believe is may or may not be true. It is not truth. So it is some meaningful and connected expressions. Next is representation and mapping. So in representation and mappings, what is the facts? Facts are truth in some world, that is truth that cannot be changed, and we want to represent these things. We want to represent the facts. And representation of facts is in some chosen formulas. There are things we want to manipulate. In order to solve the complex problems in AI, we need a large amount of knowledge and some mechanism for manipulating that knowledge to create solution to new problems. A varieties of way of representing knowledge or facts has been exploited in AI. So here is a mapping between facts and representation, where we take facts and using some language or some representation, we have some mapping between facts and representation. So we can structure the identities in this two level, the knowledge level and the symbol level. The knowledge level at which facts are described, and the symbol level are at which the representation of object at the knowledge level are defined in terms of symbol that can be manipulated by program. Rather than thinking of one level on top of another, we call this representation mapping. The forward representation mapping maps from facts to representation, and the backward representation mapping goes the other way, from representation to facts. So we can have sentences. The sentences may be true or may be false, and how we consider this that's as an identity or any sentences, and we apply different operation like propositional logic and model operators, and how we represent that first order logic. We will be discussing this all on the next class. Thank you.